Hi Stage 3, Mr. Host here. Today we're going to be looking at mental division strategies. So our learning intention today is that we'll understand how to use mental strategies to divide numbers by one divisor. So mental strategies allow us to divide numbers without pencils, paper and calculators. So we do it in our heads. So we know in Stage 2 you looked at strategies such as the split strategy, compensation strategy, the halving strategy, and known facts. For today's lesson, we're going to focus on the known facts. So let's look at this question. 35 divided by 5. Now you can see two different ways it is written. Please don't be intimidated when you see it like this, because all it means is this. Now 35 divided by 5, we can work that out by knowing our multiplication sums. So we know 5 times 7 equals 35. So we can see two of our numbers are already there. So therefore that means, and I'll change this to a pen, that means 35 divided by 5 is 7 because 5 times 7 equals 35. Let's look at our next question. "24 divided by 8. Now 24 divided by 8 again can be shown in these two different ways. Now 24 divided by 8 equals, let me think, 3. Because I know that, I'm changing it to a pen, 8 times 3 equals 24. So therefore 24 divided by 8 equals 3. Now this last question, I would like you to give it a go. I would like you to try. So you're going to pause the video once you have seen the question. And then at the end, we'll come back and we'll work it out together. So your question is 42 divided by 6. Please pause the video and rewrite it and answer the question. Now you've answered the question, let's look at the working out to see whether you've got it correct. So we can write it as 42 divided by 6, or 42 divided by 6. Now we know that 42 divided by 6 equals something because 6 times something equals 42. Now our answer, knowing my multiplication tables, is 6 times 7 equals 42. So therefore 42 divided by 6 equals 7. You can see these two numbers, because of their inverse properties, equal the same thing. Now, when you are looking at mental strategies, you need to look at which one is best for you and also best for the questions you are given. As you know, they're not, the ones shown today are not the only mental strategies. You learn a lot more in Stage 2. You use whatever is the most efficient for you. Thank you.